Good morning, team. Today, I want to talk about a crucial topic that affects every one of us, accident and incident reporting at La Costa. Let's start with La Costa's expectations. At La Costa, it's required that every near miss and work-related incident is reported immediately. To help us do this, we use the Safety Task Assessment (STA) form at the beginning and end of each shift. This form helps us document whether any incidents occurred during our workday. It's not just a formality, it's a key part of keeping our workplace safe. Why is incident reporting so important? There are many reasons to report any type of injury, no matter how small. The most important reason is to make sure the situation or hazard is made safe not just for you, but for everyone at the worksite. Sharing your experience and the lessons learned can help prevent similar incidents in the future. Even minor injuries like a small cut or an insect sting should be looked at by a manager, supervisor, or safety representative. Why? Because what seems minor can quickly become serious. For example, imagine you're bitten by an insect at work on a Friday afternoon, but don't report it. Later, at home, you notice swelling, hives, and trouble breathing, a serious allergic reaction. You need medical attention, and because it happened at work, it's now an OSHA recordable injury. If you didn't report it immediately, there's no record or witness, which could lead to disputes about whether it happened at work. Plus, if you'd reported it, someone might have recognized the risk and provided first aid, possibly preventing a hospital trip and an OSHA recordable. Why do incidents go unreported? Sometimes it's pride no one wants to admit mistakes, especially at work. Other times, it's fear of discipline or what others might think. Some people avoid reporting because of the paperwork or effort involved. But none of these reasons should stop us from reporting. It's always better to be safe and transparent. Let's summarize. All injuries need to be reported, no matter how small. This protects you and the company and can prevent a minor issue from becoming a major one. There are always lessons to learn, even from minor injuries, to help prevent future incidents. Managers follow the La Costa Safety Incident Reporting SOP to ensure everything is reported properly. Let's ask ourselves, do we all know how to properly report safety incidents? Do we know where to find the process and the number for company nurse? Now let's walk through the La Costa Safety Incident Reporting process. When a safety incident occurs, the team member must inform a supervisor or manager immediately. Within 15 minutes, the manager and team member call company nurse at 855-339-1894. If approved by company nurse, the team member seeks treatment at an approved medical facility, escorted by a supervisor or manager. If the team member refuses treatment, a declination of treatment form is filled out and a drug test is conducted. Treatment and follow-up. Treatment and follow-up are advised by company nurse. If medical attention is required, the team member must provide a back-to-work release form from the doctor before returning to work. The team member must also provide a doctor's report outlining any work restrictions. If there are restrictions, the manager assigns light-duty jobs within reasonable accommodations. Reporting and documentation. All forms provided by company nurse must be filled out within 24 hours. Managers review the incident with the district manager and director of operations immediately. All paperwork, reports, and forms are forwarded to lacostaservices.com. If the team member refuses treatment, the declination form is attached to the safety incident record and a drug test is conducted. Post-incident actions. Managers return all post-incident required forms within 24 hours of reporting to company nurse. The manager or supervisor conducts a safety stand-down with all La Costa team members. Trainings are documented and assigned as needed to prevent future occurrences. The manager notifies district manager or director of operations, then completes the safety incident record. The 9-point safety assessment and site safety risk form is updated as a result of the incident. The supervisor will email the manager all necessary forms to fill out. Remember, our company goal is zero lost time. That means injured team members are reasonably accommodated so they can continue to work. Return to work duties must be approved by the director of operations. In closing, reporting incidents isn't just about following rules, it's about protecting ourselves and each other. If you're ever unsure about how to report, ask your manager or refer to the process. And don't forget the company nurse number, 855-339-1894. Let's keep safety our top priority every day. And as always, until next time, let's watch out for one another out there.